Samsung 65 inches, the Frame Series 4K Ultra HD Smart QLED TV. Resolution 4K Ultra HD, 3840x2160, vertical bar refresh rate, 120 Hz vertical bar QLED panel. Connectivity 4 HDMI ports to connect set-top box, Blu-ray speakers or a gaming console. Vertical bar to USB ports to connect hard drives or other USB devices. Smart TV features: voice assistance, vertical bar PC mode, vertical bar universal guide, vertical bar auto game mode and game motion plus, vertical bar super ultra wide game view and game bar, vertical bar web browser, vertical bar screen mirroring, vertical bar supported apps, Prime Video, Hotstar, Netflix, Z5 and many more. Sound 40 watts output, 4ch vertical bar powerful speakers with Dolby Digital Plus, vertical bar surround sound, vertical bar active voice amplifier, vertical bar adaptive sound plus, vertical bar Q Symphony. Display Ultra HD 4K QLED panel, vertical bar customizable bezels sold separately, vertical bar dual LED, vertical bar quantum HDR and certified HDR10 plus, vertical bar supreme UHD dimming, vertical bar mega contrast, vertical bar slim fit wall mount, vertical bar 100% color volume with quantum dot. Warranty information: 1 manufacturer warranty and 1 year additional warranty on the panel from invoice date. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.